spitting up. Okay. That's not so cute. And do some hiccups too.
And just to make sure the egg yolks don't curl,
I remember that.
warm them a little bit with some of the warm mixture. Just put a little of the warm mixture in.
Molly had hiccups 2 or 3 times a day before she was born.
Bring the egg yolks up a little bit in temperature. And then whisk it right back into the mixture. And then I'm going to cook it for about 3 or 4 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken the way custard would. Great. Okay. Next I need some gelatin. So I need half a cup of cold water.
Okay. And I told you didn't want any more formula.
So it's 2 packets of gelatin. I think they always come in these little packets. Just stir it in. So 2 ripe bananas. Make sure they're ripe.
Does Miss Molly want her diaper changed?
I think so.
A little bit of molasses from the
Okay.
banana.
Say goodbye.
Orange zest.